Which would you prefer? A dome, hard, uneven surface?
Knock knock.
Anyone there?
Or a flat, fluffy, springy cake?
Today we will show you how to make the perfect cakes using
Cake strips.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients, while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made a 3-layer berry chantilly cake
3.
using these cake strips. If you haven't watched it yet, pause this video and click on the link in the top of the description. Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload. This week's shoutouts go to...
If you would like a shout out in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make.
Let us know in the comments below if you have heard about cake strips or even used them. Why do cakes come out uneven and burnt?
The reason why cakes become uneven and burnt is because the outside cooks way before the inside does, resulting in a hard outside and a dome top.
How can we make homemade cake strips?
Making cake strips at home is super easy. All you need is aluminum foil and paper towels.
We will be doing 3 cakes. The first one with baking strips, the second one with aluminum foil, and the third one with nothing. Wrap a paper towel around the pan to get the exterior length of the pan. If there's any extra, that's totally fine.
Fold the paper towel. Dip it in the water, then squeeze some of the water out so it's not dripping.
And now for the aluminum. Place the wet paper towel in the aluminum so it will hold in all the moisture, then fold.
Now we are going to fold it around the pan. These cake strips can fit up to a 10-inch pan. Soak the cake strips in water for 10 minutes before using them. Stick them in the oven. Since you're cooling the outside, you may need to increase the time by a few minutes. Once ready, the cake should start to pull away from the edges.
These aluminum strips will only last for about 4 to 5 uses. This is so sad. We have the recipe for this fluffy and airy cake in the top of the description.
This is why we love using cake strips. No need to use simple syrup or to trim the top off.
Bismillah!
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing,
Liking,
and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos.
and as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy. What? Hey kids, my name is Aya.
and I am Muhammad.
And she is
Honey.
Using these cake strips. And click on
The reason why cakes come out burnt and uneven is because
the
What?
cook.
the reason why cakes become hard and uneven is because the outside cooks way before the inside does.
Resulting a hard inside and a
Just sharing the cake. The reason why cakes become hard and uneven is because
cooks.
the reason why
Oh my god, that was really good.
Okay. Face mask. The reason why cakes become hard and outside.
Outside. Let's go outside.
The reason why cakes become hard and uneven is because the outside cooks way before the inside does,
resulting in a hard and darkened outside.
The reason why cakes become burnt and uneven is because the outside cooks way. Why are you laughing? I can see you trying to hide your face in the camera. Stop that. The reason why cakes become burnt and uneven is because the hard part. We will be doing 3 cakes. The first one with cotton. Sorry.
Cotton candy.
This looks like cotton.
Oh.
Making paper towels.
Okay.